How to fix the issue with Zelle application not working. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Zelle application. So without any delay, let's get into it. Now if you are facing such trouble, firstly you need to head towards the setting of your device and go to Wi-Fi. Here you need to check whether the connected Wi-Fi to your device is working alright or not. After you have checked the Wi-Fi connection, you need to head towards setting again. But this time, you need to check whether your phone is updated or not. So for that, you need to go to the general category in the settings of your mobile device. After that, click on software update. As you can see one beside it, that means the mobile needs update. Now you need to click on download and install and your mobile will be updated. Now last is that you need to go to the settings of this Zelle application and allow all the permissions required for application to run smoothly. So that's it. But if your problem is still not solved by following all these steps, you are suggested to go to Google Play Store or Apple Store if you are an iOS device and update the application. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Zelle application not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.